In the previous video, we had installed MariaDB. To check the version of the MariaDB, there are two ways. First one is simply MySQL hyphen capital V. This will reveal the version of the MariaDB, which is 5.5.60. The other way to find out the version is entering into the shell, and this also reveals server version is 5.5.60. In production, there could be a requirement of higher version or other version than the current one. So in this case, how to install MariaDB that's of a particular version? For this lab, I have selected MariaDB 10.1. I'll be installing here MariaDB 10.1. So for that, the first thing we should do is to add the repository. For that, we should go to yum.repos.d. Here I will be creating a repo. The name of the repo would be MariaDB-repo, and I'll put the information required. Okay. Now I will okay. First of all, I will remove the current MariaDB from the server. Let's do that first. Yum remove MariaDB. I'll do asterisk. It would remove everything that's associated to MariaDB. It will remove Perl DB MySQL, MariaDB server, MariaDB libraries, MariaDB. It will remove everything. Okay, no worries. Let's remove everything. Now we can locate MariaDB. There's nothing. So there is nothing about MariaDB that could conflict with an installation. So now let's install the MariaDB. I want to recap what we have done so far. We have created one MariaDB repository in ls-ltr. If we use this command, then the recent file would be seen at the bottom. Okay, so this is the repo that we have just created. We can even see the time as well. If I get the content, what we did, we just add the MariaDB repo information. Now we will be installing MariaDB. I'll just remove -y so that we will see what it's installing. It will install MariaDB client server, MariaDB common, and other things as well. Please have patience. It will install all the packages shortly. Excuse me, I'm not having a good health tonight. Okay. It's installing the GPG key. We are almost done. Okay, cd will bring you to the home directory. So I enter the cd and it brought me to the root home directory. First check if MySQL service or MariaDB service is running or not. Systemctl status MariaDB, and it's inactive. So first let's start the service. Systemctl start MariaDB. It's taking time. Okay, systemctl enable MariaDB. It will. I had explained this in the previous video as well. What this command does is, if the server reboots, then the MySQL service or the MariaDB service still starts. But if we do not use this command, then when the server reboots, MySQL service will not start and we have to manually start the service. But if we use the enable command, then it will automatically start the service. That's the thing. Now let's check MariaDB. Okay, it's running now. And now if let's see the version mysql-v. You can see the current distro is 10.1140. I did MySQL and it automatically let me into the shell. Let's see if that the file we had created earlier even exists or not. Cat my.cn, yes, it still exists. Let's see what happens if I remove this file. Okay, this is the issue that I was trying to show you. MySQL service is still eating the credential from the earlier installation. I'll show you how. If I do MySQL as u dash p MySQL 123, then it will let me into the shell. Yes, but this is a completely new installation and we would like to have password according to our will, and we would completely want to remove this, isn't so? So if we do MySQL as a secret installation, will this work? Let's see. Current password. Suppose this is a completed new installation and in the new installation we do not have any password, right? Wrong. It is still inheriting the password from the earlier installation. So in this case, what we can do is we can change the password, or we can simply input the password from the earlier installation, which is MySQL at 123. Yes, it allowed us to change the root password. And this is one way, and the other way is, let's put the password blank. Okay, I'll show you how to put the password blank. For that we can do MySQL admin dash u user root dash p. What was the password? Yes, it's MySQL 123 and password this command would actually set the password to blank. Yes. Now if we do mysql underscore secure underscore installation, then if we do not enter any password, then yes, it's asking us to set the root password. Yes, in this case I'll use another password, which is 123456. 123456. Remove anonymous user, yes. Disallow root log remotely, yes. Remote test data, yes. Flush privileges, yes. Now if I do mysql dash u root dash p 123456, then it lets me into the shell. And if we want passwordless login, then we can again do this one, my cnf, and user is user is root, password is 123456. Let's see. Yes, I'm able to enter into the shell. So we in both the videos, earlier video and this one, we went through installing MariaDB, right? And we learned how to reset the password, and we learned how to add the repo. We learned how to install particular version MariaDB. This is it for the video, and in the next video we will continue with the MySQL installation. Okay, not MariaDB, MySQL installation. Okay, thank you.